Every BMW X5 owner pays an average of $1,166 every year just to keep their SUV running, and the 5 vehicles on today's list average less than half of that. Today, we're covering 5 luxury SUVs that seniors are gravitating toward right now, with seat heights that make entry effortless, controls that do not require a technology degree, and annual maintenance costs that hold steady year after year without the kind of surprises that define European luxury ownership. Let's get into it. At number 5, 2022 to 2025, Genesis G80 is the luxury SUV that genuinely surprises buyers who encounter it for the first time, because the interior quality and the ownership experience it delivers are completely disconnected from the modest attention the brand receives in mainstream automotive conversation. U.S. News rates the GV80 as one of the most reliable luxury midsize SUVs of 2026, with an interior score of 8.8 out of 10 that represents the highest result in its segment, and the front seat sits at approximately 22 inches. The ideal range for the step-in and pivot entry that physical therapists consistently recommend for older adults. The door opens wide with a natural and unhurried motion, and the frequently used controls for climate, volume, and navigation are all accessible without navigating submenus, which represents a genuine daily comfort for drivers who simply want the vehicle to respond without demanding their full attention. Genesis includes complimentary maintenance alongside one of the most comprehensive warranties in the luxury segment. 5 years and 60,000 miles bumper to bumper, and 10 years and 100,000 miles on the powertrain, which means that for a senior putting 8,000 to 12,000 miles per year on a vehicle, that powertrain coverage stretches toward a full decade of protected ownership with essentially zero unplanned out-of-pocket exposure. The 2024 GV80 earned an IIHS top safety pick with top scores across every crashworthiness category evaluated. Targeting the 3.5-liter twin-turbo 6-cylinder is the right call for buyers who prioritize a more proven powertrain record, as the turbocharged 2.5-liter 4-cylinder base engine is still developing its long-term reliability data across owner communities. Number 4 is the 3-row Acura that costs $3,992 less to maintain over 10 years than the average luxury SUV in its class. And number 3 is the specific Lexus generation that changed how people think about owning a genuine luxury vehicle on a practical annual budget. Number 4, 2022 to 2025, Acura MDX. The Acura MDX earns its place on this list on the strength of a single annual figure, $501, which is the average annual repair cost for Acura vehicles across their entire lineup, according to RepairPal, representing $151 less than the all-vehicle average, and dramatically less than the $968 that BMW owners pay, or the $908 that Mercedes-Benz ownership costs annually. Top Speed specifically documents the MDX's 10-year maintenance cost at approximately $10,160, which sits $3,992 below the segment average for 3-row luxury SUVs, and means that a buyer choosing the MDX over a comparable European alternative is effectively keeping the equivalent of a vacation or a home repair fund intact every decade of ownership. The J35 B7 3.5-liter naturally aspirated 6-cylinder produces 290 horsepower and has been refined across multiple Honda and Acura platforms simultaneously, including the Pilot, Passport, and Ridgeline, which means every meaningful engineering concern was identified and resolved across a combined production volume that dwarfs what any individual model generates on its own. The front seat sits at approximately 20 to 21 inches, with 3 rows available for occasional grandchildren access, and the standard active safety suite includes automatic emergency braking with pedestrian detection, adaptive cruise control, and lane keeping assist across all trims. Targeting the 2022 to 2025 window specifically is important, because the 2021 redesign carried some first-year teething issues that the 2022 model year substantially resolved. and the standard J35B76 cylinder is the configuration to prioritize rather than the Type S turbocharged variant. Number 3, 2020 to 2022, Lexus RX 350. Autoblog's April 2026 reliability analysis places the Lexus RX among the top 5 most reliable luxury SUVs currently available, based on Consumer Reports owner survey data collected across 17 different problem categories and thousands of verified owner responses. The 2020 to 2022 fourth-generation window with the 2GR-FKS 3.5-liter naturally aspirated six-cylinder is the specific sweet spot to target, because this is the generation that earned its near-perfect reliability track record before the 2023 redesign transitioned to turbocharged four-cylinder engines that Autoblog notes have generated slightly more early owner complaints. Hot Cars specifically documents the used RX 350 as delivering a vehicle that originally sold for closer to $50,000, but carries an annual maintenance cost of approximately $550 that remains unchanged regardless of what European luxury alternatives charge for equivalent service at the same price point. The front seat sits at approximately 21.5 inches with power-adjustable positioning and lumbar support standard, and the interior noise isolation at highway speeds is among the most comprehensive in the entire SUV segment, a detail that meaningfully reduces driver fatigue on longer trips and represents a genuine quality-of-life advantage for older drivers who spend extended time behind the wheel. The Lexus ownership experience adds a dimension that no reliability score can fully quantify, because J.D. Power consistently ranks Lexus at or near the top of their customer service index, with complimentary loaners, pickup and delivery service at many locations, and a professional service communication standard that buyers of European luxury alternatives frequently describe as a stark contrast to what they experienced at their previous brand. Buyers should verify the airbag sensor recall completion on 2020 and 2021 examples via NHTSA before finalizing any purchase. Number 2 is the Lexus that Consumer Reports and Autoblog both place at the very top of the reliable luxury midsize SUV segment, built on the same engineering principles as the Toyota Land Cruiser Prado and capable of towing 8,000 pounds while delivering a cabin that redefines what a luxury interior can feel like. And number 1 is the vehicle that makes the entire ownership cost comparison between Lexus and European luxury completely impossible to justify. Number 2, 2024 to 2026, Lexus GX 550. The 2024 redesign of the Lexus GX achieved something that very few redesigns accomplish. It made an already highly respected nameplate dramatically more desirable in nearly every dimension simultaneously, without sacrificing the foundational engineering reliability that had earned the previous generation its reputation. Autoblog's 2026 Most Reliable Luxury SUV analysis places the GX at the very top of the segment, noting that it dominates in both resale value and dealership experience, with the previous generation having earned an 89 out of 100 quality and reliability score from J.D. Power, a result that Autoblog characterizes as regularly at the top of the charts. Car Explorer's 2026 Luxury SUV Guide describes the GX specifically as designed for buyers who value low-maintenance luxury and bulletproof durability, built on the same engineering principles as the Toyota Land Cruiser Prado and designed to last decades with minimal mechanical intervention. The GX 550 produces 349 horsepower and 479 pound-feet of torque from the V35A 3.4-liter twin-turbo six-cylinder, with standard equipment including a locking rear differential, multi-terrain select, and crawl control. Genuine off-road capability that no equivalent BMW or Mercedes offers without a significant additional option cost. The body-on-frame construction produces a natural and elevated seat position that makes entry and exit unhurried and comfortable, and towing capacity reaches 8,000 pounds. The honest caveat is that the V35A twin-turbo six-cylinder is still establishing its long-term reliability track record, and Autoblog specifically notes that it remains to be seen how the transition to this new powertrain will affect future reliability scores. Buyers who prioritize absolute proven certainty should consider the previous generation GX460 with the 1UR-FE naturally aspirated 8-cylinder, which remains the most comprehensively documented platform in this segment for long-term dependability. Number 1. 2020 to 2023 Lexus RX 450H. The number one luxury SUV for senior buyers who want the closest thing to zero maintenance costs is the Lexus RX 450H with the 2GR-FXS 3.5-liter V6 hybrid, and the case for it rests on 5 specific ownership advantages that no other vehicle on this list combines simultaneously. The first is the powertrain itself. The 2GR-FXS is a 3.5-liter naturally aspirated 6-cylinder paired with Toyota's proven hybrid system. No turbocharger, no cylinder deactivation, refined across millions of combined production units in the Camry Hybrid, Highlander Hybrid, and Lexus NX 350H before a single one entered the RX. The combined output of 308 horsepower is delivered silently and seamlessly, because the electric motor fills in immediately at any speed and eliminates the slight hesitation that turbocharged engines produce in the kind of everyday low-speed driving that defines most senior ownership patterns. The second is the maintenance cost picture. Regenerative braking extends brake pad life to 80,000 to 100,000 miles, rather than the 30,000 to 50,000 miles that conventional luxury SUVs require, which eliminates 2 to 4 brake service events across a decade of ownership at $400 to $600 per axle each time. The annual maintenance cost sits at approximately $550, representing $416 less per year than the BMW X5 average, which compounds to $4,160 returned to the owner's account across 10 years of ownership. The third is the driving experience. Road noise in the RX 450H is almost entirely absent at highway speeds, creating one of the most comprehensively quiet cabins in the entire SUV segment. And that cabin silence meaningfully reduces driver fatigue on longer trips in a way that owners consistently identify as one of the most appreciated daily qualities of the vehicle. The front seat sits at approximately 21.5 inches with power-adjustable positioning and lumbar support standard, and the vehicle is spacious enough to feel genuinely premium without being difficult to navigate in urban parking situations. The fourth is the safety system. Lexus Safety System. Plus comes standard and includes automatic emergency braking with pedestrian detection at highway speeds, adaptive cruise control with full stop-and-go capability in traffic, lane departure alert with active steering assistance, and automatic high-beam control, a system that operates as a quiet co-pilot, managing the most common dangerous scenarios without requiring any driver input or awareness of its presence. The fifth is the service experience. AARP's automotive team has specifically highlighted the Lexus RX's low-hassle ownership as a meaningful benefit for older drivers, and J.D. Power's Customer Service Index consistently ranks Lexus at or near the top of the industry, with complimentary loaner vehicles, pickup and delivery service at many locations, and a service communication standard that experienced luxury car owners consistently describe as the best available. Targeting the 2020 to 2022 fourth-generation window specifically is important, because the 2023 redesign transitioned to a turbocharged 4-cylinder hybrid system that Autoblog notes has generated slightly more early owner complaints than the proven V6 generation. The fourth-generation RX4 50H with the 2GR-FXS is where the near-zero maintenance case is the most fully supported by documented long-term ownership data. In conclusion, BMW and Mercedes produce genuinely impressive vehicles, and nobody would argue otherwise, but they also cost $968 and $908 per year to maintain on average, which means that choosing a European luxury SUV over a Lexus or Acura costs between $4,000 and $5,000 more across a single decade of ownership, for maintenance alone, before any unscheduled repair events are factored in. Every vehicle on this list delivers a genuine luxury experience that competes with anything a European brand produces at an equivalent price point. And number one delivers that experience at an annual maintenance cost that is genuinely lower than almost anything else in the luxury segment, regardless of price tier. Subscribe for more content like this. Drop your current vehicle in the comments and tell us how it has been treating you over the years. We read everyone. See you in the next one.